hindi ako prepared today actually to see all of you guys in one place. Pero nakakatuwa, dami kong nakita ulit after a long time. Siyempre yung mga nakasama ko before for almost a decade already. It brings me so much joy and happiness na kahit papano medyo parang for the past 2 years din kasi wala tayong mga ganap together dahil syempre busy rin and nagkaroon din ng kabisihan kayo sa buhay nyo at the same time. But syempre una sa lahat, this event will not be possible if not for syempre sa Atenatics. Maraming salamat. Thank you for bringing all of the people who matter to me in one place. Syempre kay Miss Nate, sa Lola Carlites ko, maraming salamat. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi ang tagal ko kayo hindi nakita. And seeing all of those things kanina sa AVP and all your messages right now, mas doon ako sa kung wala kayo, wala ako. Mas nai-inspire nyo ako kesa nai-inspire ko kayo. That's how I see it. I think yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin, we are placed in certain places in our lives because we have a mission, we have a purpose of paying it forward, being good to other people, and of course, in all of the things we do, we showcase the love of God for us. I think that's what really matters. At the end of the day, kahit ano pang nararamdaman natin, may it be good or bad, not all days are good days. But with the Lord, everything is perfect and everything is well taken care of. So, with everything na naibigay niyo sa akin for the past decades, to all my supporters, may it be new or yung nandyan na talaga for the longest time. Maraming salamat. You give me enough reason for me to keep on continuing what I've started. Hindi ko magagawa yung mga bagay na nagawa ko. Hindi ko mararating yung mga achievements na nagawa ko sa buhay ko at sa career ko if not for you guys. Malaking part kayo, if not you're a huge chunk of it. That's why masarap sa pakiramdam na nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin and yet naisasama ko kayo sa journey na yun at nabibigyan ko kayo ng inspiration to do the same in your own small way. Kasi in doing good deeds naman, hindi naman nagmamatter yung liit at laki. It's the intention. It's the purpose of doing good to other people. So maraming salamat. It's very nostalgic for me to be able to see all of you here. To see all of the past, yung mga picture natin ng araw, especially to the people na nakasama ko for almost 15 years. Diba? So, yun, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa pagpaparamdam sa akin ng pagmamahal sa araw-araw kahit hindi tayo madalas nagkikita. Because I'd like to believe that there's always love in absence. There's always love in distance regardless. Yeah? So, I think yun yung nagmamatter sa akin ngayon and that's the reason why laban lang tayo. And everything. May awa ang Diyos at mabait ang Diyos. Maraming salamat. Malamahin ko kayo.
We love you, Alden!
Alright!